Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall SoFi Invest, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To uninstall SoFi Invest from your device, first, locate the application icon on your screen. On Android devices, tap and hold the SoFi Invest app icon. A menu will appear with several options. Select Uninstall from this menu. Confirm the uninstallation when prompted. For iOS devices, locate the SoFi Invest app on your home screen. Tap and hold the app icon until it starts to shake. A small X will appear in the corner of the icon. Tap the X to remove the app. Confirm the deletion when asked. If you're using a Windows computer, go to the Start menu. Open the settings by clicking on the gear icon. Select apps from the options presented. Find SoFi Invest in the list of installed applications. Click on it, then choose Uninstall. Follow the prompts to complete the uninstallation. For Mac users, open the Finder. Navigate to the Applications folder. Locate the SoFi Invest app in this folder. Drag the app icon to the trash. Alternatively, right-click on the app icon and select Move to Trash. Finally, empty the trash to permanently remove the application from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.